Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our presentation on the fascinating world of Alan Watts and his philosophy of spirituality. Today, we will explore how his ideas on money, materialism, and the ineffable universe can help us find meaning and happiness in our lives. Alan Watts was a British philosopher who became famous in the 1960s for his writings and lectures on Eastern philosophy and spirituality. He was born in 1915 in England and moved to the United States in 1938, where he became a popular speaker and writer on topics such as Zen Buddhism, Taoism, and Hinduism. Watts was known for his ability to make complex philosophical concepts accessible to a general audience, and his books and lectures continue to be widely read and listened to today. Watts' contributions to the field of philosophy and spirituality were significant. He was one of the first Westerners to bring Eastern philosophy to a mainstream audience, and his work helped to popularize ideas such as mindfulness, meditation, and non-dualism. Watts believed that spirituality was not something that could be taught or learned, but rather something that had to be experienced directly. He encouraged people to explore their own inner selves and to seek out their own spiritual paths, rather than relying on external authorities or dogmas. Money and material possessions have become the focal point of our society, often overshadowing other important aspects of life such as relationships, personal growth, and spirituality. We are bombarded with messages that tell us we need more money and more things to be happy, but is this really true? It's important to reflect on our own relationship with money and materialism. Are we using them as tools to enhance our lives and pursue our passions, or are we allowing them to control us and dictate our values? By examining our own beliefs and behaviors, we can begin to shift our focus towards what truly brings us fulfillment and happiness. The universe is vast and mysterious, with countless wonders that we have yet to discover. At its core, there is an intelligence that we cannot fully comprehend, but that we can sense and feel in the world around us. This intelligence is ineffable, beyond words or description, but it is present in every moment of our lives. Through the study of philosophy and spirituality, we can begin to understand the nature of this ineffable universe. We can explore the depths of our own consciousness and connect with something greater than ourselves. We can find meaning and purpose in our lives, and a sense of awe and wonder that transcends our everyday experiences. One way to integrate these ideas is to cultivate a sense of gratitude for the abundance in our lives. By focusing on what we have instead of what we lack, we can shift our perspective from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This can help us break free from the cycle of materialism and consumerism that often leaves us feeling unfulfilled. Another way to integrate these ideas is to practice mindfulness and connect with the natural world around us. By taking time to appreciate the beauty and mystery of the universe, we can tap into a sense of awe and wonder that can help us feel more connected to something larger than ourselves. This can also help us develop a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. Finally, we can integrate these ideas by using our resources and talents to make a positive impact in the world. By aligning our actions with our values and working towards a greater good, we can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends material possessions and fleeting pleasures. In conclusion, we have explored the fascinating ideas of Alan Watts and their relevance to our modern lives. We have discussed the role of money and materialism in our search for meaning and happiness, as well as the concept of the ineffable, intelligent universe and its connection to spirituality. Finally, we have looked at how these ideas can be integrated into our daily lives, providing us with practical steps to apply them. As we leave today, I encourage you to reflect on these concepts and consider how you can incorporate them into your own life. Remember that we are all connected to each other and to the universe, and that by embracing these ideas, we can live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration and discovery. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.